everyone, welcome to another vlog. So, andito kami ngayon sa Hancock in Los Angeles. So, we're here to clean the church, the first American Indian church. So, dito nag-preach ng asawa ko si Luis dito. Here, so we're gonna go clean this place, just the sanctuary, because the brother of Winnie, he already cleaned inside. So this is he already cleaned the one over there. So this is our stuff. So let's go show you around, guys. Here sa church dito sa Hancock in Los Angeles. So this is the church, the main. So Arnold already cleaned yung isa doon, yung room doon sa kanila. So this is the church inside the first American Indian church, guys. So we're just gonna, everything already looks clean in here. So we're just gonna polish all the chairs here. So dito nag-preach si Luis like twice or three times a month. So tomorrow he's not preaching here, it's someone else preaching. So I'll see you guys later, okay? So I'm getting water to wash my towels to clean up. So this is the people here before, the pictures, the Indian people. I think that's all the members. Their banquet hall here in First American Indian Church. So I'm gonna go back the sanctuary. I have my water bucket with me. I got my water bucket with me. So I'm going back here inside. This is it. So again, guys, we're just gonna all stuff. So tomorrow they have, this is more people here. Tomorrow they have communion, and one of the students from Risk Community Church, Romans, will be preaching. So this is Luis, where he preached, right here. That's it. This is the first American Indian church here in Los Angeles. Alright guys, I'm back. So punta kami doon sa taas, sa basement. Dude, there's a lot of spider webs. No, I went over there. This one. It's dark. It's dark. Where's the light? So there's the basement. Oh, there's no light. Oh, yeah. Here. So this is very old church. 100 years old. So ito yung sa taas ng church. The basement up here, and there is the window. So you can see, you can open that part. So this is it, guys. Natakot ako kanina umakit dito. So let's go back. Let's go back down. Wait, what are you doing there? Wiping? Dust. This place is very dusty. Uy, umakit ng kanina dyan. Umakit ako. That's it. Alright guys, after I'm done. guys, so I'm dusting all the fuse. Really dusting. And then after we're gonna, shine all the fuse, guys. I'm wearing my glasses and my hat. I'm wearing my glasses because my eyes is getting bad. I can't see far. So that's why I'm wearing it right now. Wearing my hats because it's sunny. So I'm just gonna dust all this, guys, and then we're gonna use bleach to shine all the fuse. So yeah, so I see you guys later. Hi guys, so tapos na ako nag-dust. Ngayon naman ay mag-polish tayo ng mga fuse chair. So ito yung gagamitin natin, guys, pakintab. So kanina pakintab na ako dito sa kabila. Tapos na dito. So dito naman ako, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tapusin ko lang to. I'm gonna end my video now. So I see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!